Welcome to Quito, Ecuador. We bring you to the heart of the historic center of Quito, where you will meet our friend and chef Gabriela, who welcomes you with a huge smile on her face. You will get to learn about the local history and traditions through the best combination: sightseeing and getting your hands dirty by cooking delicious local meals. Open your mind and palate to new colors, smells and flavors in this dynamic cultural immersion into Ecuador's gastronomy. We will ensure you have a culinary journey designed to be fun for all. This cooking class allows you to enjoy an authentic culinary experience. You will learn some tricks for your own kitchen with the most varied ingredients. So, let's go ahead and dive into Ecuador's cuisine.